Hello guys, what's up? Welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to provide these kind of arrow shape to your JButtons. So these buttons can be very useful whenever you want to transfer from something from left to right or up to down, and you want to show this arrow as indicator for that. So I will show you today how to provide these kind of arrow shape to your buttons. Our normal button looks like this, but these buttons are given a shape by using some code. So let's get started. I will close this run window. So what I have here is I have 4 buttons which I have taken from my palette here, and I have taken 4 buttons so that I can show every direction. For example, every button will show every direction, so north, west, east and south. These 4 buttons will show these 4 directions. You can also provide northeast direction or whatever direction you want to provide, but for the starting I will only show you how to provide these 4 directions. So what I will do here is I will delete this title because I just want to show my arrow on my button. So I will delete all the title, and the second thing is make these button little bit bigger in size. You see these buttons are little bit smaller. If these buttons in which you are showing your arrows are of this size, then maybe your arrow will look very small and you will not be able to recognize it. So make these buttons little bit bigger so we can see those arrows signs. Second thing I will do is I will provide the variable name so that it will have some logic. So first button I will show north arrow direction, so I will name it as north button. Second is south. Third is west, and fourth is east. So these variable names I have provided to these buttons, and next what you need to do is go to your source code in here, and here in your main frame method where your in it components are there, initializing component method is there, you need to write your code here. So whenever I run my program, this code is initialized automatically, or this code is initialized at the starting of the frame, so it will give our buttons the same shape as written here. So this is my method name. You can see here user frame is the same name as this. So if you don't know what method is this, just find whatever your file name is, same method you find, and in that method you have to write your code. and in here what you will write is, first of all, copy your variable name from here. First name is north, and I will paste it here. Dot add component, and I will first close this bracket, and in this add bracket I will write new basic arrow button, and then the first one int direction, and instead of this width bracket you will write once again basic arrow button dot, my first button direction was north, so I will search for north, and I will click it. So this is my north direction button. In the same way I will copy this code 4 times, 1, 2 and 3, and I will just change the direction. Second was south, third was east, and fourth was third was west, and fourth was east. And in here also, instead of north you will write second is dot south and dot west, and fourth is for dot east. So these 4 line of code we provided, and these line will be initiated or will be called whenever our JFrame will run. So let's check our program is working or not. So you can see this, our program is working, and these buttons are showing north, south, west and east. You can also provide some other shapes to these buttons. For example, I want to change this north direction. Instead of north direction, I want to show, what I want to show is, let's see this error works or not, and I will run my program once again and nothing happens. So you just need to try different option. So just go there and dot and try for different option, whatever is working for you, working in this code, what options are available for the button shape. So this is also not working. So in this way you can provide different kind of shapes. So I think this must work, northeast, and I will run the program. No, it's also not working. Maybe the size of this should be increased. So I think you understand the basic concept, so I don't need to to extend this video further, just try different options here and see what shapes your button can get. So this was the tutorial on how to provide the arrow shapes to your buttons, and other shapes also. You just need to try different things, options here. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.